This is a medium top and a large bottom. Love that it has the underwear. You feel what I'm saying? Full service underwear situation. Love that this is stretchy also, right? A little slit action, so that's cute. I mean, maybe it does fit me. It feels very, very snug. Extremely snug. So is that a good thing? I could use a little more space though, especially in the back. I feel like I have a roll right here. I can do a large from the top, and I suppose, yeah, just keeping this large bottom. Love this cute detail right here. This is short though. Yay, yay. Ooh, honey. What do we think? I went into Walmart and I got the cutest exercise outfits, and I was like, wait a minute, Walmart has some cute stuff. Where have I been? You know what I'm saying? So I grabbed this one and I didn't try it on. I wish I had tried it on in the store, but I needed some space to try things on. Okay, so we're at home. I'm wearing a size large in the bottom. What I like is that it's got shorts underneath it, because you know, your girl is dragging a wagon, so we need something to keep things intact. You feel what I'm saying? So I like that it has that, but I will say, I wish I had gotten an XL in the bottom. But then again, I don't know, because I do have this space right here in the back, right? Oh, there is a drawstring. Hold on, am I supposed to do this? Hold on. Oh, okay. So the drawstring does help. Okay. So the drawstring does help, and I suppose I would just like this and then tie it. I'm a bun book. Then I put it down. Perhaps, okay, this is really cute, but got a good stretch, right? But with the hips, it's gonna give this. And I don't like when it has this. So I would do an XL in the bottom to give some more space. But love the medium in the top, has the padding. Love the color combo. Isn't she so cute? Okay, we got some new stuff from Season 10 Fitness. I'm wearing a size large. It is so buttery, very stretchy. The sports bra is padded. I wear this to run errands. This is really comfortable. It comes with a matching jacket. We love that. Ooh, come on, detail, hold on. Okay, Sheila, I see you. Oh, we have the thumb holes. Love. Oh, this fits really good. Oh, I like this. Oh, this is really good. Oh, I feel cute. Ooh. Oh, wait. I like this little detail where the zipper is concealed a little bit. Details, very important. Oh, yes, this is comfortable. And I have the Season 10 socks. And you know I don't be wearing socks, but these are thick and comfortable. Okay, we're going to the gym, running in the errand, we chilling in the crib. What we doing? Because this feels good. Oh my goodness. Spanx just released some new Air Essentials Peak styles, and I am in love. Some of the collection's best-selling silhouettes are now offered in every shade, honey, and I'm wearing very black. It's giving super soft, light as air, very stretchy, comfortable, and breathable. And you know I love to be able to take this off and use the restroom without having to struggle. Do you hear me? I stay on a plane, and you know I love a good travel set. Look at the piping and the rib detail and the pockets. Girl, I am in love, okay? Let me know in the comments below, which one are you gonna get?
Hey gorgeous! Welcome to Fashion and Elegance Black, your happy place for celebrating the style, beauty, and brilliance of Black women across the United States. From curve-hugging sundresses to power suits and everything in between, we're here to showcase our fashion, amplify our femininity, and make sure the world recognizes just how stunning we are. So if you love looking fabulous and feeling seen, hit that subscribe button and join our elegant family.